Hello, in front of me I have TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you all possible checking options on our page using the IMEI number of your phone. Okay, first we need to find out what is our IMEI number. You gotta open up your phone app and then go to the keypad and type this code *##06 and the hashtag. Now we have our IMEI number, and now we gotta enter it on the page. So let me do it. Okay, and now we have it. Once it's entered, click on check. And as you can see, our phone has appeared, NxtPaper 70 Pro. Keep scrolling down. When it comes to the first thing that appears is the basic information about our phone. For example, when it was released, the operating system, the battery, the chipset, SIM card size, the display. If you click on expand info, you'll be able to see more information. And if you are interested in full device specification, simply click on full device specification. And in here you can go to the parameters and you can see everything in here. Okay, when it comes to the other things, we gotta keep scrolling down, and we have the basic checks and the advanced checks. The basic checks are completely for free. When it comes to the options, we have the eSIM compatibility check. We can generate random IMEI number of our phone. We can perform the MAC address check. We can generate random MAC address. We can add our device to the lost database, and we can also check is it already in the lost database. When it comes to the advanced checks, we have the blacklist premium check, the T-Mobile USA status check, Verizon status check, Xfinity status check, and the TracFone USA status check. That's all when it comes to the status checks, and we also have the API and bulk address. Advanced checks require payment. For example, the blacklist premium check costs $4. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.